What is up, Flockers? That is my fellow Lockers and aspiring Lockers. Today's video, I'm feeling scissor happy, so I'm about to go in again. Alright, so if you want to see how this is going to turn out, because I have no clue and don't even have a full plan in my head, then stick around. Y'all, I've just been feeling like my hair is not doing what I want it to do. I mean, not that it's not doing that, but it's just, I'm bored and I'm ready for it to look different and have a change. And to keep me from just cutting it all off, I said, why don't I just go shorter, see how we can go. So in my mind, I'm going for like Killmonger, whatever his name is, Michael B. Jordan from Black Panther. And in my mind, that's what I'm gonna get. In reality, I'm probably gonna come out looking more like Buckwheat from the Little Rascals. But if we can get somewhere in between those two, somewhere in the middle, then we'll be good. So that is my goal. And like I said, I don't have a specific plan or thought process of execution other than to know that I just want it shorter, because right now I just wear it up in a ponytail all the time, and I'm just kind of bored of that. So I'm thinking if I cut it shorter, maybe cut some layers in, that maybe I'll be back into my hair again. So we'll see. I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I'm kind of bored of the length, so I'm thinking maybe we'll take it short here. You know what they say, don't overdo it. So let me cut shorter, or not too short to start. So we'll start with a little trim. And this is why you're supposed to use special scissors and not just your kitchen scissors. But I couldn't find our special scissors, so I'm using what I've got. All right, so we cut about 3-4 inches off of some of them. All right, but we got a little bang situation going on. All right. I'm gonna try to do my best to keep it similar on both sides so that we don't have severe differences from left to right. Okay. Got those. Is that short enough? Or should I go a little shorter? You know what? We're gonna go to the nose. We're gonna take it up a little bit. I'm feeling bold. Yep. I'm gonna take that first layer to the nose. I mean, when it's stretched, it's still longer, but when it hangs, it's hanging around nose length. Okay. And then for the next section, framing around the face, we'll take it a little lower. Now with these, that's a good 1, 2, 3. No, that's probably 4 inches right there on that one. All right. One, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not the type to normally count my locks, so as I'm doing stuff. Trying to keep it somewhat uniform. Okay. at this point, I'm just scissor happy and I'm just cutting. I'm not even, let me see. I'm definitely not counting how many are on each side. I don't even know if the number of locks on each side are even, so counting wouldn't necessarily even do what I'm trying to do. Go jagged edge and go scissor happy on this side too.